Alright, back with peeps. We back. I am what you call it? 11:39. You should have seen. You know, I was running to the toilet. Well, I got to about here. There was one girl. Oh, I don't know if she was a girl or a woman, but she had school clothes on. I don't know. But she saw me running, and she quickly ran away, like away from me. Thought I was gonna get her or some shit. I was like, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. If she's watching, I apologize again. I needed to go to the toilet badly. I was about to pee myself. Don't play with me. Alright, but we go back over here now. These bunyas better start the motorbikes like at the latest 2 o'clock. Then I can stay and watch the bikes and then we out. Hopefully. Yeah, they won't. They were starting at like 3. Fuck that, I'm out. I ain't waiting. We got other places to be. We gotta go to the motorplex. Get home probably, let's see, leave at like 2, get home at 3:30. Probably leave at 2:30 at the latest, like I said. Get home at 4. Nah, probably gotta go home at 2. I'm out of here. I'm out.
Do you remember your mate from New South Wales, your team leader?
Oh, nice coffee. Oh, yeah. That's actually in the morning.
What are peeps looking at me? Freaking out. Yeah, I'm a little bit stupid. I should have fucking asked that guy, let me jump in with him. I'd have jumped in with that peeps. Fucking let me in. Fucking I should have, because I got the same color too. What an idiot I am. I'm an idiot. Oh, what, are peeps still over here waiting for the cars, or are they already gone? Oh. I know I missed a couple cars, that's for sure. He's arguing with those peeps. Hey, good, mate. He's arguing with those peeps over there, that guy. It's funny shit. They're trying to tell him probably to get that shit out of here, and he's like, nope, nope, no. Oh, there's Cutie. And she turned away. She turned away like all the women's do to me. They turn away sad. When it's coming in, or are they not coming in? Yeah, play with me. Anyway.
It's going over.
Everyone's asking them, why can't we go in? Oh, we're not open till 1 o'clock now because we're weak. Fucking $20 back for everyone. You heard? Those wouldn't. Everyone wants to go in already, but they fucking won't let us. What else is new? Oh, should have been here fucking at like 5 o'clock in the morning setting this shit up. They setting that shit up at 10 o'clock. Stop playing with me. Those hoes, they want to go in too, but they ain't gonna be let in. Don't play with me. Some bullshit.
Not opening till 1 o'clock now. The city of Perth,
Yeah.
apparently trying to get all that open till 1 o'clock.
Bullshit, eh? Should give everyone $20 back. That's what I think. Fucking ripping us all off. Crazy, huh? It only just changed in the morning too. Like literally, like, yeah.
1 o'clock?
Yep.
What a fucking pack of retards.
Bullshit, eh? It's crazy. O's only started like packing up shit like at 9:30. They started doing this. They should have been here at 5 o'clock.
Fuck, they should have been here last night.
Exactly, it should have been done already, yeah. Typical, huh? I've been here for 2 already. What's this peeps doing? I thought there was a little peeps over there, but it wasn't.